Top 6 Best Motorized Kayak. However, when it's time to choose the right motorized kayak, there are many things to consider, and finding the right one for you can be quite a challenge. Well, no worries. In this video, we will present you the top 6 best motorized kayak on the market today, so if you're interested in what motorized kayak will work best for you, stay tuned. Number 1. Best Overall. Pelican Motorized Kayak. Number 2. Runner-up. Old Town Motorized Kayak.
The bass fishing industry by launching a trolling motor with spot lock technology. Today, the Old Town Sportsman Autopilot stands to have the same impact on the world of kayak fishing. What makes the Old Town Sportsman Autopilot so special is the new, seamlessly integrated, GPS-enabled 45-pound thrust, Minn Kota-powered electric motor console that propels, maneuvers, and anchors the kayak using spot lock technology. Controlled with the touch of your thumb using the iPilot remote and steered with a foot-controlled rudder, your hands remain free to catch fish. The saltwater-ready design mounts in seconds and easily docks and deploys when launching and landing. The autopilot is controlled with the Bluetooth-connected iPilot remote with a daylight-readable screen. Hold your position no matter the conditions with the GPS-enabled spot lock feature. Maintain your direction with the autopilot heading feature. Increase or decrease your speed with the plus and minus buttons. Steer your kayak using the directional arrows. And even download the Minn Kota iPilot app for your smartphone to operate your kayak with your mobile device. The autopilot was designed with the avid angler in mind. Built off the same ultra-stable W hull design found in the Topwater family, the autopilot also features a wide-open deck with EVA foam floor pads for comfortable stand-up fishing, an all-new premium, comfortable, and breathable seat experience with high and low adjustability, ample pocketing for tools and tackle, and 4 accessory tracks for on-the-fly customization, an all-new large fishing rudder controlled with adjustable foot braces for simple hands-free boat maneuverability, redesigned bow and stern carry handles making transport easier and more comfortable, a console floor plug that stows behind your seat for when you choose to leave the motor at home and want to paddle, a kill switch key that doubles as a prop wrench and includes a spare prop pin, 3 through-hull wiring kits and universal transducer mount for quick and easy fish finder installation without the need for drilling, 4 flush-mounted rod holders, 2 in the stern, 2 forward-facing, a dedicated tournament catch tray channel giving anglers a secure place to measure their fish.
Number 3. Best Budget. Lifetime Tamarack Angler 100 Fishing Kayak. Number 4. Old Town Sportsman 106 Motorized Fishing Kayak. Number 5. Classic Accessories Colorado XT Pontoon Boat.
It's for extra stability in the water. New and improved spring-loaded valves are easy to operate and can accommodate a wide range of pumps. The storage platform is spacious and large enough to accommodate an electric motor mount that can handle up to 30 pounds of thrust. The included storage bag keeps gear dry and protected from the elements. The stripping basket is removable so that you may mount it on your lap or on the side. The rod holder can be mounted in up to 6 different positions. 2 front-mounted foam fly patches accommodate both left and right-handed fishermen. The seat and footrest mounts are adjustable, accommodating a wide range of leg lengths. Further, the oar locks can be placed in 3 different positions, letting you find your perfect zone. This boat can accommodate up to 400 pounds of gear and passenger combined, and will still keep all but your feet out of the water at the maximum weight. At 77 pounds, the boat can be handled by most, but to make things easier, there's a transport wheel located beneath the seat, letting you move it around much like a wheelbarrow. Last but not least, this boat comes with a
Number 6. Perception Pescador Pilot 12.
Kayaks. The Pescador Pilot. The Pescador Pilot is an affordable sit-on-top, packed to the gills with fishing features, and complete with the Pilot Drive pedal system. The optimized gear ratio in the Pilot Drive allows for effortless, all-day hands-free cruising, so you can keep your lure in the water longer. The quick key system makes it easy to engage and disengage the drive quickly to zero draft, making launching and docking a breeze, while the custom-designed turbo flaps reduce noise and keep turbulence to a minimum. Forward and reverse motion paired with easy grip, low-profile rudder steering control allows for a super tight turn radius, offering all-around maneuverability in those hard-to-reach places. A recess in the hull stores the lightweight drive while not in use, and the center scupper lid allows for easy transportation and storage. In addition to the drive system, the Pescador Pilot has all the fishing features a serious angler could want, including a stadium-style comfort-focused captain's chair with on-the-fly adjustability to fit a range of heights. Bow storage pods with the transducer scupper provide a secure place for gear and electronics. Pre-installed inserts for transducer mounting and precisely placed inlet outlets for direct wiring to the transducer scupper and display make electronic install a breeze. The Pescador Pilot also comes loaded with 2 Yak Attack gear tracks with easy mounting points for all.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.